Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies, ashes.
Cell 17, middle floor, the most infamous cell. Top cells are large, and if prisoners behave, they would be promoted to the second floor.
I need you. Where are you?
Cell 17, dark past, multiple prisoners, weird energy, notorious cell. Many visitors reported terrifying experiences inside this room. Scratching, someone is tugging their clothes, and door is rocking back and forth. Something trying to prevent them from leaving, and woman complained, tug at the back of the neck, and her chain actually snapped in half. In total, over 135 people were hanged here, including women, starting with Elizabeth Scott, 1863, first woman to be hanged in Victoria. And after execution, body remained suspended for 30 minutes from the first floor at the end of the cell. अस्तगफिरुल्लाह, यहाँ दिल मेरा घबरा रहा है और इतनी खौफनाक जगह है कि मैं कहती हूँ कि अल्लाह ताला हम सबको सिराते मुस्तकीम पे चलने की तौफीक अता फरमाए, बुरी घड़ी से और बुरे लोगों से महफूज रखे।
I am now face to face with my Maker, and I swear by Almighty God that I am an innocent man. I never saw the child, I never committed the crime, and I don't know who did. I never confessed to anyone. I ask God to forgive those who have sworn my life away, and I pray God to have mercy on my poor darling mother and my family.
Colin Campbell Ross was an Australian wine bar owner, only man who was wrongfully convicted and executed for the murder of a child, which became known as the Gun Alley murder.
The day is coming when my innocence will be proved.
His father Thomas died very young, leaving his wife to care for the 5 young children.
The allegation that appears about linked to his position matched those of Turkey. His only way of coming to terms with this is
Colin began working at the age of 11, and on 30th December 1921, 12-year-old Alma Churchka grandfather sent to collect a package of meat at Swanston Street. Next morning, Alma's body was found in Gun Alley. During his prison, Rose wrote a note at the back of the used envelope, throwing over the wall of the jail. He declared he was innocent. The note was published by the Herald newspaper. Rose's pencil was confiscated and his wardens were punished. In 1993, his former schoolteacher began to research. He read handwritten notes in the Bible Rose had kept during his prison. On comparison of hair did not come from the same person. Punishment cell with no window, no light, no sound, no human contact and limited food. बहुत खौफनाक जगह है, बहुत ज़्यादा फुली पैक्ड है. Some handcuffs, ropes, clothes used during hanging at that time. और मैंने यही नतीजा अखज़ किया है. Consequently, most of the convicts were young and they were facing financial crisis. And it damaged their mental health and it was devastating. Losing health, wealth, relationships. Always remember, diamonds are made under pressure. अपने आप को तराश के हीरा बनाएं, क्योंकि हीरा मट्टी में भी हीरा है. Always be on the straight path that leads to Allah.
Such is life.
और इन्हें तो आप जानते ही होंगे, नेट कैली. 5 films are based on नेट कैली's life और मैं भी देख चुकी हूँ, आप भी ज़रूर देखें. Australian well-known last bushranger, age 25, gang leader and convicted police murderer. From a poor family, 7 siblings. And his father was also guilty for stealing 2 pigs. And at the age of 11, he saved a young boy from drowning and was awarded a green sash for bravery. Analysis of the skulls of convicts after execution. And criminologists believed that there were physical clues to understanding criminal behavior. They took plaster casts of the heads of executed prisoners to study their brain and skulls. The skull was mapped into 35 sections and each was associated with the behavior. For example, the area above the ears was meant to indicate destructiveness, and they noted that violent people had prominent bones in this area.